Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling safe mode with the command line window or command prompt on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then select the shift key on your keyboard and select restart while holding that down. And then select Troubleshoot, reset your PC or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, and then select Restart. And then you want to tap the F6 key or Function 6 key that says Enable Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Go ahead and select that. And then do what you need to do in Command Prompt or the command line window. And when you're done, you can just type exit in here, and then it should relaunch you back into the normal Windows environment once you're done. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.